ever heard the phrase, lightning doesn't strike in the same place twice? Well, apparently that doesn't apply to ice storms, because just when I thought that last week could have been the end of it, the storm came back for part 2. And would you believe that last night it went down to -10 degrees Celsius? I can't lie though, even in the negative weather, I did kind of consider coming outside for playing the snow, but I'm not telling a lie, I couldn't really manage it by myself, so it's a mini snowball, you know? Alright, that count for something. Anyways, you know, even in the weather, it is currently 4 degrees Celsius. And as you can see with my lovely little snow demonstration, there's still some snow that hasn't melted. There's some black ice on the road and everything like that. But even in the weather conditions, more than what I was facing out here, it was the fact that Jamaica was experiencing a snowstorm as well. Not a snowstorm, sorry. A cold front as well. That really brought a smile to my face. Because you just hear how everybody was so excited and you saw how different places were experiencing different things. And there's something just so special about the way that we as Jamaicans react to different events that it's just heartwarming. And with that same heartwarming thought in mind, you know, it came to me that even throughout life's storm, be it an ice storm, a snowstorm, rainstorm, whatever storm, as much as we prepare for it logically, we take out the coats, we bring the umbrellas, we take anything that is necessary, it is really the humanity that we have. Our ability to laugh at the storm, our ability to just enjoy the situation for what it is, to take a rough life easy, that really makes a difference. It shifts our perspectives and it just brings a sense of unity that would otherwise have been lost. So, even in this cold time, let both our clothes, the coats and the jackets, and our Jamaican spirit keep us warm and united in this time. So, me go in now because my finger never start for cold up. I should take off the snow a while ago. Anyways, right before that, let me just try the dragon breath things one more time to see how it goes. I hope to see it this time. So, I'm gonna see it. It didn't man.
Bila snowman.
Alright. I go build a snowman. You know, Elsa, Anna, do you wanna build a snowman? Somebody told me.